Howdy everybody. Today we're going to do something a little different. We're going to do an unboxing video. A friend of mine used to live in Quebec in his younger days. Used to go around the old rail lines and pick up insulators. And he gave me these. And I was cleaning the garage out and found the box and totally forgot about them. So we'll go over a few of them. I don't know anything about these. This is just a plain white one. It's got a chip out of it there. So we'll put that over there. Don't mind my sniffles. Ragweed season has started. Montreal Telegraph Co. That's got a little chip out of it too. That's an older one though. It doesn't have the little drip knobs on the bottom. It's probably from 1900. Turn of the century, maybe earlier. Don't know. Another Montreal Telegraph. It's got some cool little squiggly lines in it there. Mold marks, I guess. Nice. I like these. These are going to display nice as long as they're in good shape. This one looks alright. Same thing, Montreal Telegraph Co. Doesn't even look like you cleaned them. Pretty crude bottoms on them. They're not smooth at all. It's like they just cut them with a saw or something. Really, really crude. So these might be quite old. I have no idea. I'll grab this other white one. This one's in better shape than the other one. A couple little nicks there. Not bad. Nothing on those ones though. What's this one? Another Montreal Telegraph Co. It's in good shape. So 4 of those so far. 5. Look at the squiggly and the bubbles in this one. No idea on the age of these. They gotta be quite old. Sorry for the whippersnapper guy. But they're pretty nice. I'll get this little white one. Dominion glass. That one's newer. It's got those little pyramids on the bottom that helped the rain drip off of them so they didn't cause shorts. This one's in rough shape. Oh yeah, this one really bad shape. Chips all over it. Yeah, this is going into garbage. It's too bad. It's a nice, it's almost like a green. That's a shame. Alright, let's finish this up. Whippersnapper guy's around the corner now. Okay, good. Oh, I thought that was manganese glass for a minute, but no, it's a 42 Dominion glass. It's just some kind of dye or berry or something that was stuck in there, I guess. Not a bad one. Another Montreal Telegraph. This one's pretty chewed. Looks like somebody took a bite out of it. Alright, lots of those Montreal, and I'm assuming that's what this is. This has got a weird... Something happened there. It's not a crack. It's a seam. It's all messed up. But it is chewed up pretty bad. I got some good ones out of here though. Clean them up and display them with the rest of my insulator collection. I don't have any of these Montreal Telegraph ones, so they'll fit in nice. Beauty. There we go. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, Montreal Telegraph, probably maybe 5 or 6 once I decide which one they're going to keep. The Dominion, another Dominion. This Dominion is toast, and these two white ones. It's too bad about that green one. Yeah, so that was nice of them. Anyway, we'll talk to you later. Have a good one.